This is the Offset Entities tool. So again, if we sketch on one of the planes, and then in order to use this tool you have to have some existing geometry. So let's say we want to put an arc in here. We'll quickly draw an arc. So there's our existing geometry, and then if we select the Offset Entity tool and click on the arc, you can see that it's produced an offset line from that initial geometry that was selected. And if we OK that, it creates the offset as new geometry, and it gives us a dimension as well, so that we can modify that if we need to. So if we just undo that for a second, get back into the tool, Offset Entities, select the geometry. We can enter a different value in here. Say we enter 5 or any other value. We'll put 6 in. You can also change the direction of the offset, so you can go one side or the other side, or you can make it bidirectional, which means this offset gets applied in this direction and in this direction. You can also close the ends of the offset as well, using arcs, tangential arcs there, or using a straight line. Also, something that can be quite useful is the initial line you can turn into construction geometry, so that it gets ignored when you're creating your feature from this part. So if we make the base geometry construction and click on OK, you can see this has become a construction line now, and the only lines that would be used to produce solid geometry in the part will be these outer lines that have been created from it. But it keeps that line because obviously that's what's used to define the geometry of these outer lines.